What's up guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video I will teach you how to switch your account from personal account to business account to personal account to create an account to either both of like or one of those three, like personal or business or create account. So this method will work only on your phone, so I suggest you do it on your phone, and then you can use your Instagram account in your computer, like desktop or your laptop. But first, if you want to switch your account to either business or create an account or switch back from business to your personal account, you have to go back to your phone and use the application, Instagram application on your phone. At the bottom right corner, you will see the profile of it, or sometimes you can see the top right corner. But for my phone, you will see at the right corner below. So click the profile, click your profile, and then at the right corner, top right corner, you will see the Embedder menu. Click that Embedder menu and then choose settings. From there you will have to go to account. You see below ads, you will see account. Click account and then scroll down until you see switch account type. Now from there you will click the switch account type, and then you see you have two options there. Since my account is in a creator account, I can switch to business account or personal account. So let's try one. Let's try business. Now you see switch account. There's nothing wrong with it. All your content will still remain same, but your account will be changed to business. Now this is already a business account. Now if I want to change my, yes, just click go to profile. If I want to change to my personal profile, just same process. Go back to your settings and click account, switch to personal account or switch to creator account. See, first we will change it from, we switch the account from creator to business. Now we would like to change the account from business to creator. So let's go, let's do this. Okay, switch account. Okay, so the process is simple guys. You just have to follow the video, and if you see any error happen, just follow the video, follow the instruction, and you will be completed all the process. So guys, there you have it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and comment if you have any suggestion, or if you have anything to say, or you don't understand the video, or if you want to know anything about digital marketing or Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, just leave it in the comment below, and I will create another tutorial for you guys, and I will leave it in the same section for you to learn, and let's grow together. And guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.